So I'm going to Indiana, pretty much the most craziest thing in the world. So I'm gonna be making a vlog. It's like 15 minutes long, so sit back, enjoy.
And today we are playing Would You Rather, a game which is really freaky and stuff. And get out of my face, Jello! It's that time of year when we're at 50 subs. Yes, big thanks. Woo!
I'm taking over this channel now, you freakers. I'm screaming.
Where am I going? What's going on? Episode 3, another Terror Tuesday. So on this episode, we last left off when the dummies were chasing after us.
Oh god, you got Billy the Savage going on right here. See Billy the Savage? Look at Billy the Savage. He's going savage, bro. Look. Up, Billy went savage. Wait, where's Billy? Oh crap, Billy! No!
What? Speaking of this. What?
That's weird.
Come on!
So I'm going to Indiana, pretty much the most.
What up? This is my newest video. Go check it out. We're playing one late night. And let's go ahead and back another video. Last video we played Would You Rather game, which is and stuff like that. We're talking about okay, so on this episode, I think we're applying battery.